Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing essential items, a verified Google Ads account, billing, and a clear campaign goal. Once done, pick call ads, lead form ads, or local inventory ads because those work without a website. Make sure to select location targeting and set a realistic daily budget that controls spend. Then choose a business phone number or lead form destination. This gets you into the campaign builder immediately. Don't stall on optional settings yet. Launch the skeleton campaign next. Now you craft the ads and targeting. Use call-only or lead form ad types so clicks convert without a site. Add call extensions and business hours. Write 3 headlines and 2 descriptions that state benefits, price, or urgency, and include a clear call to action like call now or request quote. Then refine audience signals. Select keywords, custom intent audiences, and device targeting to prioritize mobile calls. Once the creative and targeting are set, review bid strategy and ad scheduling to finish by activating conversion tracking for calls and lead forms so you measure value. Enable call reporting and link your Google business profile if available. Once live, monitor cost per conversion, click-through rate, and lead quality for 3 to 7 days before big changes. If you see low traffic, broaden keyword match types, raise bids, or expand locations. If many irrelevant leads, add negative keywords and tighten targeting. If calls report as unknown, confirm phone number formats and call forwarding settings to fix traffic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.